Hello, how is everyone doing? Today we're going to make some slurry for the compost containers outside, which I have plants in. So the worms could have some excellent nourishment to give back to the soil that I'm growing fruits and vegetables. This is leftover. This is leftover. This is leftover. And down here is leftover. Or leftover or spoiled. Not consumable, but it's good for the worms. Okay, first we add some water, about 2 cups. About 2 cups of water. Then add the vegetable scraps and get it down a little. Then we'll add the rest, and then we'll grind it all up, and then we'll be back. Okay, as you can see, we got it all in there. We got the vegetables, it's in the fruit, the little take the skins, but it will be all ground up, made into a nice slurry. Okay, we have it all ground up, made into a nice liquefied, somewhat liquefied solution where it can be easily poured down into the compost bin. That will be next. Okay, we're out amongst the vegetables and the Trusites garden. Everybody's green. See the watermelon here, need more water. Feel like some of the tomatoes coming up. Okay, now this is the top of the compost bin, which is a pipe that goes down into the soil with openings down at the bottom so the worms can come in and collect and eat. So that's the first pour into the compost bin. Let's get it in. Probably need something to get it to go directly in. Don't need it to go on the outside, because then it draws more insects like flies. Of course, we can't get rid of the flies. They're out here in their own natural habitat. But I think I have something. Stand by. Okay, also we had some watermelon that was not fully ripe. I think we have another one over here that is not fully ripe. As you can see, did not make it. So it will also go into the compost bin. Just like that. Oh, we also have some that didn't make it. As you can see, it hasn't been fully formed. It's got some seeds. Every time I see seeds, I want to harvest it and get it ready for next season, but I still have enough watermelon seeds that I can use for the next growing season, at least 3 or 4 growing seasons. And we uncovered the tadpole container. It's slowly maturing. Wait till we get a little bit bigger. what we'll do, we'll just add these again to the compost top. Get some of this in there. Just drop it in. Okay, I think I found something. This should help. Most of it go in. See how it just flops in? That's all I wanted to do. That's it for this side. That's it for this side. Try to get most of the stuff inside. And I'll add water to the top. Water is needed for the worms to be able to digest all the minerals into the soil. And that's that. Okay, I added some more water to sushi because I'm going into the next tower, which is by the figs. I'll just add it to the bottom. And of course I learned today that the figs are basically grown in sort of like arid, dry land, so they don't need that much water. I guess that's why I have so many extra limbs growing. But it is a tree. Get rid of that cobweb. Probably was a spider trying to start this thing. And I found out 2 ways to close off the fig when it starts to open, because I think I have one right there. See it? The dark one? I can close off the end, but it's supposed to droop, which means it's ripe. So it's still not ripe yet. It's still growing. Uh-oh, see an ant. I need to make sure the ants don't start their thing. In the meantime, need to feed the worms. And underneath the bird station, which is here, the bird station, is the compost bin, another compost bin. Today, along with the composting, I noticed the fire ants were in the compost bin. They have made a colony inside the compost bin, which I put a little poison in there. Hopefully it'll stop them. And I got some of the maggots and some of the worms that were in there. I'll rinse off the compost or the worm casting that's in here and administer it to fish in the aquarium, beta level. Bird station set up. May have to put some more seeds in there because the squirrels, of course you can see right through the window. The squirrels been coming up and just dumping all the seeds out to get what they want. So I'll have to add some more than usual. But here's the water and there's the seeds. I also have this frog, or actually tadpole, inside a container, which seems to be a deterrent for chick moths from climbing up here and going up. But this tadpole seems to not want to get out of this water. Another thing that I'm coming to find out, that some of the natural forming vegetables and fruits had their own system of retaining water. They actually do not have to be constantly fed water because Creator had designed them to retain enough moisture when they get it to survive and put forth fruits and vegetables. It's amazing.